Hey everyone, what's up? Today we are across the road from Avenida Mediterraneo's Casino Mediterraneo. Should have just said Casino Mediterraneo instead of saying where it is at. Gonna see that now, show you that's open down on Avenida Mediterraneo. You do have this brilliant little restaurant here. Funny story is when my dad tried to ask for the bill first time we went in there, let's just say we may have ended up with a full round of drinks again. And my dad being my dad, he ordered himself a jug of sangria the first time. Not really expecting his rendition of how to pay for the bill to sort of go pear-shaped. So let's just say 2 big jugs of sangria later, he was quite steaming.
Hey, let's go.
Some fans there, I believe, or just some guys enjoying the Benidorm sun. Not too busy today on Avenida Mediterraneo. Do believe it is probably down to what time it is. I think it's at least about 3 o'clock now. So many people will probably be just laying in bed having siesta. What? Serious? Oh. Okay. I'll have that. Anyway, just taking a server down Mediterranean. Avenida Mediterranean. Just enjoying the sun, enjoying the nice cool breeze. See where life takes me. Now I'm being told to cross over. So I have to stand here, right to cross over. Yeah, the lights have just changed right before we got here. There is a bit more traffic in Benidorm lately due to the fact that many of the Spanish have come on holiday. I think that many of your Spanish offices, your Spanish councils, etc., they appear to have broken up this month, and they all just seem to go on holiday. Many of them have come to Benidorm, and to be fair, I don't blame them. Benidorm is absolutely amazing. Something for everyone. Just walking past a few little cafes and restaurants down this end as we do slowly approach the British Strip again. Coming past the steakhouse, for those of you who like a good old steak. I can tell I certainly like a steak. But you do have to be careful with steak over here. Sometimes it can end up being a completely different four-legged friend. One that goes nay.
The cow that can't speak properly.
Shut up, you. So, sorry about that. Sorry for putting all of you guys at home off your steak.
Show the road, Marcus.
Yep, flash hotel over the road. So, I mean, Hotel Calypso in background. Sol Pelicanos there. And this will be where I end today's video. I honestly hope you have enjoyed it. I love you all, each and every single one of you guys, except those haters. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment saying you have subscribed if you are new to the channel. And I'll see you in the next Benidorm Crazy Marcus video.